Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video all about composite functions. You can see here that we've got two functions. This f of x function is 2x plus 3, which means whichever value we have for x, we times it by 2 and then add 3. And g of x, we are just going to square the x value. So with a composite function, you have to do two or more functions, one after the other. And that is written like this. So fg of x, and that's how we would say it, fg of x. And this means you do g of x first. So whatever the number is, excuse me, whatever the number is where the x is, you do that using the function g first. And then f of the answer to g of x. Okay, so you're recycling one answer through the second function, and you always work from closest to the brackets and you work outwards. So it is entirely possible you could have fg of x, where you have to do the three different functions to it. You would put the number x through the f function first of all. Then you would use that answer through the g function, and then you would use that answer back through the f function. So what I will do is, using those two functions, a couple of examples. So we're going to try and do fg of 2. Put my brackets in the wrong place there. fg of 2. So that means we're going to do g of 2 first, and then whatever that answer is, we're going to put through the f function. So g of 2. The function tells us we're going to square the value. So 2 squared, which equals 4. I'm then going to use that answer and put it through the f function. So that's 2 times the value plus 3. So 2 times 4 and then add 3. Now if I use a highlighter, you can see where I am using this value, putting it in here and putting it in there. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is the final answer to fg of 2. You must get these the right way round, because I'm going to reverse the g and the f this time. So it's going to be gf of 2. This time the f is closest to the number, so I'm going to do the f first. So f of 2 is 2 times 2, add 3. 2 times 2 is 4, add 3 is 7. I'm then going to use this value and put it into the g function. So I'm going to do g of 7, which is squaring. So that's going to be 7 squared. So the final answer is 49. So you can really see from this example, it's incredibly important that you do the functions in the right order. I'm just going to do one where we have 3 lots of the function, and you can see how that works. So we're going to keep the function f of x as 2x plus 3, and I'm going to do f of 5. Okay, I'm going to do f of 5 first of all. So f of 5 is equal to 2 times 5, then add 3. So 2 times 5 is 10, add 3 is 13. I'm then going to do f of 13. So 2 times 13, then add 3. 2 times 13 is 26, add 3 is 29. And finally, I have to do the same f function once again, where I'm going to do f of 29. So 2 times 29 is 58. Add 3 is 61. So that would be our final answer. Okay, just to recap then, if you're given two functions and you're given a composite function, the first function you must do is the one closest to the number, and then you have to work your way out. So here we did g of 2, found the answer to that, squaring 2 gave us 4, and then we put 4, the answer to the first function, into the second function and did that. Thanks for watching.